Marketing tools. To understand how a speaker uses marketing tools to build a career as a paid speaker, you have to begin by understanding how the decision to hire a speaker usually gets made. How speakers get hired. Organizations that don't pay speakers, like service clubs, example Rotary or Kiwanis, or local professional associations, typically have a program chair whose job is to get speakers for their monthly or weekly meetings. It can be a challenge to fill that many programs, so sometimes all a speaker has to do to get this free booking is to let the program chair know that he or she is available and has a topic of interest for the group. Of course, if the program chair gets glowing recommendations about the speaker from other group members, that always helps. But generally, it's not hard to get on the program for an upcoming meeting. Like buses, there's always another meeting coming along. This scenario can get tighter with paid speaking opportunities. An organization may have one major meeting a year. If it is a conference, there may be a number of speaking slots available, one or a few keynote slots, a number of breakout session slots. Planning a big conference is a lot of work, and while finding speakers is important, it is just one of many responsibilities of the meeting planner. So the selection, or at least the recommendation, of speakers for the conference often falls to a committee. Essential marketing tools. How does the committee know about you as a possible speaker for their group? The best way, of course, is to come highly recommended by someone whose opinion they trust. But with or without such a recommendation, two marketing tools that are essential for even being considered are the one-sheet and the demo video. The one-sheet is just what its name implies, a single sheet of paper, printed perhaps on both sides, describing you and your speaking. It typically lists your speaking topics, some past clients, biographical info, testimonial quotes, and a marketing message as to why you should be hired. Similarly, the demo video is easy to understand. Just as many years ago, popular music used to be sold as a result of people hearing it played on the radio, 20 years ago a speaker needed a demo audio tape to send to prospective clients. But technology and times have changed. Today, more music is sold as a result of music videos seen on TV or downloaded on the internet, and speakers have to present themselves on video, not just audio. What are some of the important features for each of these? What makes a good one-sheet? Good marketing piece like a one-sheet has to address three distinct audiences. The meeting planner is the most obvious audience, since that is who will most likely see the one-sheet first. But the meeting planner serves two masters, and they have to be addressed as well. One master is the group of attendees. The meeting planner wants to select speakers that the attendees will give good ratings to when they fill out their evaluations. And the other master is the executive or executives whose budget is paying for the meeting. They generally have certain objectives they want the meeting to achieve, and they will judge the success of the meeting on how well their objectives were met. A good one-sheet, therefore, has to be targeted at the attendees and the executives as well as the meeting planner. One of the mistakes often seen speakers make is to have a one-sheet that is eye-focused. The copy talks about what the speaker has accomplished, where he went to school, what awards she has won, how good a speaker he is. Testimonials are of the "wow, you were fantastic" variety. Speakers tend not to be shy, and it's natural for them to self-promote. But any good marketing piece should be you-focused, not I-focused. It should answer the question, so what? You have that degree? So what? You won this award? So what? The client is interested only in what you can bring that will benefit them, so your achievements are unimportant except insofar as they are evidence of your credibility and expertise. What a one-sheet says is crucial, but so is how it looks. Pictures, graphics, colors, layout, these put an image of you into the meeting planner's mind before a word of text is read. You should consider your visual branding elements, which include your logo and what colors you choose, the whole look and feel of the one sheet, along with a tagline. Those are all part of your visual. One lesson, the most important, is work with professionals. Unless your expertise is in writing marketing copy and doing graphic design, one investment that will pay dividends from the beginning of your speaking career is to work with professionals who can help you have a one sheet that stands above the rest and gets noticed.